Hello, this is Raul. This is a new order, drum filter 100 km for an hour, 100,000 liter for an hour. This customer from US, Hong Bui. Yeah, US, New Mexico. Yeah, now we test filter before send to customer. Drum filter ready. 5 pipe connection go inside drum filter. Yeah, 5 go out. When clean ready, to go out. Okay, this is motor reductor, stainless steel mesh, stainless steel nozzles, UV light. Yeah. Now open one, this button two. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and now test control box. Now open. Yeah, and first open by timer. Yeah. Now 15 seconds he work, and 2 hours he stop. This is customer order. For he open one time for 2 hours. Yeah, okay. And next, and timer can regulate anytime. Yeah, and next float switch here. When water level come to float switch, he activate him. Yes, and all system work. Motor reductor, you see, move, and pump. Now, yeah, have energy to pump, and he push water in nozzles and clean mesh. Yeah. Okay. We can regulate how long time work system after activate. Yeah. This regulation. This we do smaller. Now check. Yeah, okay. And it open. Pump need connect here. This. Be careful. This 110 volt when all system activate. Yeah. This number 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. This pump. Yeah. Maximum 500 watt. 110 volt. 500 watt. This is pump. Yeah. Okay. And now check manual. Yes. This is just motor reductor, and this is this motor reductor with pump. Yeah, okay. Yeah, not forget please, he must stay every time by middle, just automatic work. Yeah, okay, everything ready. Yes, everything ready. Now we put in wood box and ready to send. Okay, thank you. If you have a question, write for me, I help.